Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the music player card of my Material Clean dashboard. While your music is playing, the album art fills the entire card, you see the artist and the song, you get play and pause, volume controls, and a live progress bar at the bottom. And when the music stops, the card folds itself down into a small, calm, idle player with an animated background. Here it is on my dashboard, playing some lo-fi. If you want the full code for this card, you can find a link in the description. Before we start, make sure you have Button Card installed. You'll find it in Hacks, just search for Button Card, hit download and reload your browser. That is the only custom component we need, the whole music player is built with it. Okay, let's start. On your dashboard, click Add Card and choose Manual. Again, we use a custom button card with my setup template as the base. You'll find it in the pack. And as the entity, I use my Spotify player, put some music on while you build this one, it makes it a lot more fun. Then we add a color variable with a little JavaScript. While music is playing, all the text on the card will be white, because it sits on top of the album art. And when the player is idle, we switch to black. Now comes my favorite option of this card. We show the entity picture. And the entity picture is the album cover of the song you are playing right now. If nothing is playing, we fall back to a little animated player GIF instead. You'll find that file in the pack. Just drop it into your www images folder. The README shows you exactly where it goes. We also show the state and we call the card speakers. Now let's build the layout of the card. The name and the state sit at the top left, a little icon at the top right, and at the bottom, one big area for the media controls. The card gets our round corners and its height comes with a trick. 300 pixels while music is playing, but only 70 when the player is idle. Remember that one for later. Then we stretch the picture. The image cell and the entity picture cover the whole card, edge to edge. The album art literally becomes the card. The name and the state stay small and thin in the top corner, in our switching color. In the field styles, we pin the controls to the bottom of the card. And here is the second trick. When the player is idle, we fade the buttons away completely. The progress bar gets its spot right above the controls. And now the control section itself. It is a button card of its own. The name shows the artist and the label shows the song title, both pulled live from your player. It all sits on a frosted glass strip at the bottom of the card. Then the volume buttons, small and subtle, volume down on the left, volume up on the right, and between them the big play pause button, which flips its icon depending on whether music is playing. I'll fast forward through these. They are all just small button cards with a simple service call each. At the top right corner we place a little cast icon, one line of HTML. And finally, the progress bar. This block looks wild, but don't worry. It simply measures where you are in the song and moves the little bar at the bottom of the card in real time. Smooth, frame by frame. You don't have to understand it, just copy it from the pack. And that's it. We hit save and our music player is done. And now my favorite part, the idle state. When nothing is playing, you don't want a big empty card sitting on your dashboard. So we duplicate our player, 3 dots under the card, duplicate. And the only thing we change is the entity. We pick a player that is currently idle. I take the Nest speaker in my office. And look at that. The card collapses down to 70 pixels, the buttons fade away and the animated background takes over. That is the little GIF file from the pack doing its magic. One card, 2 faces. We hit save, and the idle player is done as well. And there they are. Both faces of my music player. On top, the full player, the album art, the artist and the song, the controls and the progress bar slowly creeping along the bottom. And below it, the idle state, small and calm, with its animated background, waiting for the next song. To use the cards with your own players, you just change the entity. Everything else adapts by itself. The pack also includes a smaller compact version of the player for tight spaces, the animated GIF and a step-by-step README. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some inspiration for your own dashboard. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. I create more custom cards like this one, show off cool hacks cards, and there is a full tour of my Material Clean dashboard as well. As I said, if you want the full code for the music player, you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.